Hey Remarkable Lifers, this is Craig.
And this is KJ.
And today we're out on a little bit of a mission, and I wanted to take you along because sometimes buying things in Lakeside can be very interesting. And we are going to show you a little bit of that. Now in the past we did a video on furnishings and going to Guadalajara and buying furniture. And that's new furniture generally. There's also this other side of you don't want to spend a whole bunch of money and buy brand new stuff. So we're looking at the resale and the thrift shops. Look at that tree behind us. Those are the jacaranda trees that bloom here, and we are in prime blooming season, so I'll throw some of that in too. But we're going to show you some of the little shops that we try to go to Lakeside to find things that we need. What we're looking for is just some little storage in our main area, give a little extra place to put some stuff, and maybe like a little buffet or side piece or something. And I am not paying 40,000 pesos for some freshly built thing. I am just not doing it if I have to wait. So we'll show you what our options are. It is right across from the fire truck. Everyone knows the fire truck. It's home decor. This is one of the little brand new places. It's not a resale, but we're gonna go check it out because KJ
I've been in here before.
This is our version of Home Goods, and I think KJ might go a little crazy. I'm gonna have to pull him back. Do you like?
I do.
Option number one.
It's kind of chunky.
It's
chunky. It's got some cool handles, some cool.
about $450.
Yeah, that's a little.
I mean, it's a good price for that, but it's still a little pricey for what I'm willing to pay.
Yeah. It's chunky. I like that. It looks very heavy.
Yeah.
Very. I like that.
He likes bulky furniture. It's
I like
one of those
furniture.
Yeah. Well, we also don't like things that are so hard to move around, and that's functional anyway. But this is probably the high end for us. We wouldn't go much higher than that.
Yeah, no, that's a lot more than what
and
I spend.
I don't judge people who want to go spend 40,000 pesos on the perfect piece. If they've got it, and then it's their life, and if that makes them, happy and makes their life functional, good for you. And you can afford it, great. I can afford it. If I wanted to, I could go, do some things.
No, you cannot.
But then I'm not going to have, gas for a while. So here's another one, a little cheaper, about 6,000, but it doesn't give the storage. Yeah. Oh, that's cute.
It's the exact same thing. Same pulls, same handle, same design, except for they put some distress paint on it.
Yeah, which is kind of cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It kind of makes me not want it.
Oh, really? Because we had one like that.
Well, there's nothing. No, there's nothing unique.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't understand it. Okay. I mean, I think it's unique, but
No,
it's...
what I'm saying is that piece is exactly the same as that other piece.
Oh, meaning...
They just put some paint on it.
You're right,
Yeah,
okay.
So I would rather find something a little more unique where it's not just the same thing over and over.
Gotcha.
That's a cool... So we just got a new table and chairs,
Yeah.
And it's the perfect size. It's like what we always look for, and it's like the perfect size. And we got it from friends of ours who are moving, and so we got this really nice table and 4 chairs for 1,500 pesos.
Yeah.
It's wonderful.
I'll probably repaint it or something, or refinish it at some point.
But it doesn't need. I mean, it doesn't have to have it right now.
It's one of those things where it's like, just grab it while you can, while you find it. When you find it, grab it, because, they needed to get rid of it. We needed one. Boom. Mutual relationship there. But now I want something to go on the side with it for storage because literally, the thing that we have is just not functioning well at all. So, anyway, hop off the elevator. It's like a floor-evator. It's not an elevator, it's a floor-evator. Okay, so we're just looking around. I know I saw that one, but I didn't see the price on it. Chock full. Cute.
It is, but it looks a little too manufactured for my taste. Like, I'm like, it feels like it's pleather, right? So, like, take the pleather, put it in the sun, let it sun fade, wrinkle it up, stretch it,
Scratch it.
Then then cover this.
Well, just roll it down a hill before you use it.
Oh, no, because then you could damage the structure.
No, it's cute, but that's not what I'm looking for either.
Yeah, we really like that, like, reused kind of recycle,
Reclaimed.
reused, reclaim. We really like that kind of stuff.
And it's cheaper. I'm not gonna. I'll buy the actual reclaimed stuff.
Actually,
Yeah, I'm gonna buy the actual reclaimed stuff. I'm not going to buy something that I'm paying someone to make it look reclaimed.
Right, no.
Yeah.
What you think? I could paint that.
Exactly. For cheaper. Ooh. I like the telephone booths. It's fun.
The telephone. Oh, that is fun.
On the floor elevator. Close the door. Close the door. Don't want somebody walking off. Well, no one's up here. There we go. Oh! Not used to being on this with two people. And here's other stuff they have at the home decor store. Sheet sets. That's something that's hard to find sometimes. And lots of tchotchkes. Lots of cute stuff. If you're just wanting something for yourself or a little retail therapy, it's a fun place. And the furniture's not ridiculous. This sectional would be probably twice that anywhere else, or more. We've seen what's here, so we're going to head out and take a look at some of the resale shops and what we call a bazaar here. But they're used furniture stores. Here we go. There's another place. This is one of my favorite ones. It's a smaller, privately owned. Park on the side. It's Ibarra Bazaar, and then they have a second one beside it. So there's a couple of used furniture places that go from Ajijic all the way down to Chapala, but there is a section in Ramirez de Pilar, where they're right along the carretera. There are several different resale shops. It's kind of bazaar. It's one of them. Something treasures. There's several. This is Ibarra Bazaar, and they have one like two sides to it. And they get different stuff all the time. So I like to go in there once in a while and just check it out. We'll take you with us. But this section of the road is kind of used furniture alley. There's one in, I think, Carol's Bazaar or Barbara's Bazaar. Barbara's Bazaar. I don't know why I said Carol. In Ajijic, they're, in my opinion, very expensive. That's the thing down here. You think you're going to buy furniture down here and save all kinds of money like it is in the States when you go to Goodwill and stuff, and it is not. Sometimes they sell furnishings for the same price you would get it in a store here. The difference is that it's U.S. furniture or Canadian furniture versus Mexican furniture, and there is a very big style difference and construction difference. So people will pay almost what it is to buy a brand new item just to have that U.S. style that they're used to. So it's something to just be aware of, that used furniture doesn't just grow on trees down here like the mangoes do.
Looks like it's painted before.
Yeah.
And this panel looks, with the inside, almost looks like it was a door.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the outdoor. We're going to go to the one on the next side. And then they have a little artisan place on the left. This is Rope Muebles. This is one I'm looking at. I think I can redo that. There's art. We're going to go here just for fun. Aw, look at him. There's Catrinas. Recuérdame. Okay, so we're a little bit further down in Ramirez. My little secret places.
Are you guys brothers?
No. And then this one, they got all kinds of different stuff. Every once in a while they have a big thing. It's mainly clothes. Kind of garage sale-y. But every once in a while you find really good stuff.
Yeah.
Get some unique things, and the prices are really good. Because it's a charity shop, so they don't price overprice. Table, but it doesn't match anything I have. I have stolen KJ to come and do the dreaded thrift shopping today.
It's not dreaded. I actually enjoy it.
So we got one more. There's a couple more stores, but we're not going to make it to all of them. A couple more, but I'm tired already. And we've got lunch, so we're going to meet some folks for lunch. And this is the last one. It's the last big one here along this area. It's called It's Kinda Bizarre. And yes, it's a bazaar, and yes, it is. But your prices are a little higher. So this is like little table, $4,400. This table is sold down the way, and it's really cool. It's like craftsmen. They do it with like pieces of wood and make a mosaic and metal. This would be about twice that down the street. They have a little bit of everything here. They have dishes, soft, items, fans. So have a cafe. It's just a kind of cafe. I think you should become the accordion guy.
No.
Yes.
No.
So they have lots of good stuff here. Prices are a little higher than other places, but they have stuff you can't find everywhere, or things that you'll never see again, or maybe a specific item. So it's always good to check. That's a fun table. So it's $12,000 for the table with the chairs. That's not bad. That's $600 for this whole set.
Yeah, I like it. It's nice.
Yeah, we just bought one.
No, I know.
Okay, so that was a little look inside of the thrifting area here in Ajijic, or Lakeside, I should say, because this is in Ramirez, actually. A couple more stores around the area, a couple of charity shops. You can hit them all. I always try to hit them once a month because you never know what you're going to find, or if I'm in the area, I'll stop by. Did you like this video? Is this the kind of thing that you guys want to see? Do you enjoy seeing all of the variations on how to buy furniture, or just our daily life and the things that we're doing? Let us know. Comment down below and tell us what you'd like to see. And I guess that's it, because we're kind of a bust. The one thing that I actually kind of liked had mold on the back, and it wasn't very sturdy. So second look. That's why you take a second look. So,
And your husband. That's why you take your husband.
Take your husband and go, hey, look this over for me. So that's it, and I just like to share these things with you guys. If you haven't, make sure you like, follow, subscribe on Facebook, Instagram, and here on YouTube. And
if you haven't already,
go find your truly remarkable life.